Hey everyone, welcome back. This demo we will talk about something interesting because as a learner, I can say I'm a learner with maybe some experience. I think the most important is use our knowledge from book to the real case. That's the most important. If someone cannot make the book knowledge transfer to the practice knowledge, practice usage, utility, the book knowledge will tend to be the dead knowledge all the time. So if we got the idea of what is the digital signature, what is the certificate, what is the private key, what is public key, what is the symmetric or asymmetric algorithm, we were easily to understand the Bitcoin digital signature mechanic, I think, because if someone have already read the Bitcoin white system, we will easily found that Bitcoin is not a new concept. Every parts, just like the ledger, miner, consensus, all these parts of the P2P network are the existing technology. So the founder of Bitcoin, he did something very smart is to combine these existing knowledge parts, combine them together to make a new system. That's the ingenious invention of the Bitcoin. So the question is, who is the founder of Bitcoin? No one knows. In the past 11 years, everyone tried to figure out who is Satoshi Nakamoto, but no one can prove himself as the Satoshi Nakamoto. This guy, Craig Davey, come from Australia, real genius. He told everybody that he is Satoshi, he is the founder of Bitcoin. But until now, also I believe he maybe is Satoshi. Until now, he cannot prove himself as the founder of Bitcoin. Because in Bitcoin world, everything is transparent. Bitcoin just like a database with the create, update, but no delete. Everything in Bitcoin world is undeniable. You cannot deny anything. So if you want to make a statement, make proof you're Satoshi, you need to show the evidence. What is evidence? Private key is evidence. In Bitcoin world, private key can make the digital signature to our network, then you can transfer the money to other people. So no matter you are rich or you are poor, take care your private key all the time. So in this demo, I will show you how to use the Bitcoin private key to make the digital signature to a message, and how to make the validation, use the public key. The same concept as the previous one. Okay. Differences, last demo I used the testifier, and there is no testifier in Bitcoin world, just the message. Okay. And you can see here one more thing. The signature for message, we will use ECDSA. What is ECDSA? If we have already read the book of our CSSP, we all know that it's this one. Just one definition. Quite simple, but if someone really want to have a deep dive into the Bitcoin world, he need to know ECDSA algorithm. That's the foundation of the Bitcoin world. Okay, let's move to our demo. Hi, welcome back. I have already switched to my Bitcoin client and generate a new address. Start with 1. That's the legacy address for make the signature. Now we move to file, sign message, select this address. So here, this address just look like our previous video. The first step is to locate to our root CA private key to make the signature, and I will type some message. This is Chen Zhang who owns the Bitcoin address. Then I will just like the plan test or the test file, or I can see the concept before signature, and click sign message. All right, now we got a message signed just like the encrypted, but here I want to stress that this concept is totally different with the encryption. Since we got the private key here, the original file or original test, plan test, and the test after the signature, we can switch to our PowerPoint, public key, private key, after signature, and where is public key? Once this address generate, the public key will broadcast to all the Bitcoin node. So no matter the full node or the slight Bitcoin wallet can validate this information. So now what I should do is just copy this information to the website to make the validation. Okay, here I got the Bitcoin validation. Okay, validate the signature. So if we just change anything, change address, just wrong, or change here, wrong. So let's back to our topic. If this guy want to improve that himself as the founder of the Bitcoin, Satoshi, what he should do is quite simple, because this is the concept of the Genesis block of Bitcoin, or we can see the Bitcoin 0, the first block of Bitcoin. And this address is widely regarded as the Bitcoin wallet address of the Satoshi. So let's click here. What he just looked like me. Use this address, put to here, and put in a test just like me. This is whom, and make the signature. Once got this information, we can copy to here. So if he really got the private key for this address, he can turn to be his Satoshi. Very easy to make the validation. So that's the best part, I think. The genius invention, founder of the Bitcoin. All right, I hope you can fully understand, and I really hope if you got the the support of the additional money, you can try for the digital world. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.